wheeling on a bridge, TikTok mode. TikTok. TikTok mode. TikTok. It's no longer vertical video, it's now TikTok mode, yo. Vertical video is the thing of the past, now we prefer it. No, it's a joke, it's, you know, never mind.
Okay, we gotta go, right?
Okay, my friend, one wheel on a wet road. Focus.
Well, this. I don't like this at all.
Language? I'm kidding, but... ¿Por qué?
It's too wobbly. I'm scared of slipping. I'm very unsure of myself.
Yeah, but you're doing just fine.
Yeah, I changed the setting so it's...
Oh, on the board?
Yeah. It's
oh,
not
so you...
bad now.
Anyway, we were gonna make a really classic video of cool stuff right now, but we elected not to do it. He's going over a bridge. It's better to watch it with your eyes. I'm kidding. Hold on.
Big ass mushrooms.
Yeah, well,
Look at that. Damn, boyfriend. That's fucking impressive. Bring that up here. Grab the other one too.
No, it's still rooted.
Okay.
It's all there. I found this one over there, but I brought it over here. But yeah, this is a don't eat it mushroom.
Yeah.
And don't lick your fingers, but
Yeah. Don't chew your fingernails after this.
yeah, really.
Awesome, baby.
Isn't that amazing? That one's like softball size.
That's very neat.
Right here. And there's another one right here.
Little? Oh, broken? Very cool. Stopping.
That's biblical, really. Okay, that's where I'm going. Trees, snow, right? Yeah, it's beginning to look, oh sorry, a lot like Christmas, even for vertical video. I was wrong, I know. But hey, there's the snow. I'm traveling up to see the snow. I was at the dock today, and there was snow on the mountain, so I was like, can I go up there? And I did it, but I'm going to continue to go to where up here, you see, it is totally beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you... Okay, yeah, you get the point. Anyway, the other day my friend was here, and it was like all sunshine and everything, right? And like 2 days later, there's snow on the mountains. Okay, the guy on the one wheel, like right now, cut to it, one wheel guy, yeah, he was here. And one wheeling on a bridge, TikTok mode. If I can cut to it anyway. TikTok. Right. I'm gonna try and find some more snow. TikTok mode. TikTok. It's no longer vertical video, it's now TikTok mode, yo. Vertical video is the thing of the past, now we prefer it. No, it's a joke, it's, you know, never mind.
Okay, we gotta go, right?
Sort of. We can do, no, we have an hour, but we have to be respectful of the time, because she know, never, it doesn't matter.
Well, let's go do our thing.
Yes, let's do it.
I'm done.
Go away with the board, I'm recording you. And then we'll go do this. Alright. Winter? I was gonna say Wonderland, but not really. Because it normally snows up here. Anyway, I've never walked from sea level to snow before. I mean, granted, it's only 800 feet, but it's 5 miles to the end of the road. And I don't know where I am, but there's snow and there's ferns in the snow, which I don't know if that's significant to anybody other than myself, but it's pretty cool. Shit, there was a bird there the whole time. Huh. Whatever. With a winter kind of snow. Snow. Okay. There is... Let me see if I can get this to work here. You see that over there? Okay, you can't, but there's snow on the mountain behind me, and snow on the mountain behind me, so can't get that ridge line in there. It's kind of slightly snowed in. Then we got the background here. It's kind of pretty. I mean, it's got a lot of snow in it. But I wanted to march up to the snow, and I did that. It wasn't really that far. I mean, sort of, but you can see ahead of me. Let me switch this. Whoops. That was brilliant. Okay, well, anyway, look. Behind me then. There's, see the snow goes... That road right there goes so far. Okay, look, pointing. So far, and then... Right here, there's... You know, like someone turned around, this is as far as they went. Kind of like me. I'm kidding, I might go further, but all I want to do is find out where the snow was. Snow. That's how deep it is. It's pretty. Pretty breathtaking. What do you think of that selfie stick? It looks like this, only complete mirror image of it. Bye. I like snow. Oh, dude, you know how many times I may have not actually been recording? Oh, shit. Okay. Well, look, there's snow over there. I may not have recorded that there was snow over there earlier. More snow. More snow. I just probably stared at myself for like half an hour going blah, blah, blah. That's embarrassing. That is probably the best mushrooms in the snow I can find. There is another one over here, but it's not very impressive. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, much better. Okay, there it is. See if you can find it as I zoom in. There is the chanterelles. There are 2 chanterelles down there, but they're not really in the snow. See if I can find them. Mushrooms in the snow. Okay, that's a chanterelle. That is a chanterelle. Okay, this is a beautiful place where they grow. And just up that road, there's a bunch of snow. I swear, I was up there. But this is pretty, is it not? Okay, did you hear that? Okay, this is probably way zoomed in. Okay, my bad. Okay, down that road is a gate that the subscriber 13 rode the one wheel to. I'm going to go to that gate, but this would have been up the hill. I mean, there's not, I mean, I found 4 chanterelles, yay, and a lot of snow, but, I mean, there's all kinds of, I have no ideas. Yeah, but you can't see it though. Okay, there's the gate that goes to. That's kind of nice. This road that leads to. That's snow. But anyway, see if I can zoom in a tad bit. Echach. Anyway, this is a rainforest road that leads to the snow. I know that doesn't make any sense, but that's the God's honest truth. And there's chanterelles up there and all whatever. Okay, like maybe 2. Not worth the walk for chanterelles, type chanterelles, but they're up there. And snow, yay. That was wrong. And snow, yay. Snow's cool. Okay. I did.
You didn't get the picture you wanted, though.
I didn't get the video I wanted.
Do the video.
Like a boss. I'm kidding, but like... Just saying, in the slippers, to the snow. One wheeling on a bridge, TikTok mode. TikTok. TikTok mode. TikTok. It's no longer vertical video, it's now TikTok mode, yo. Vertical video is the thing of the past, now we prefer it. No, it's a joke, it's, you know, never mind.
Okay, we gotta go, right?